Hi, many of you will be working in head office, zonal office, or regional offices in your respective organizations. Now, working in these administrative offices, many times you are in need of asking data from your subordinate officers. Now, you must have noticed and observed that while asking for the data, sometimes you receive incorrect data, in the sense that suppose you are asking for NPA figures by the branches, wherein they need to type the value between 0 to 100 only. By mistake, it may happen because as a typological error, that instead of inputting the value between 0 to 100, somebody types it as 200 or 300. So when you eventually receive the data, while streamlining the MIS, it gets very difficult to give a proper MIS report, which leads to a lot of wastage of time to correct that data finally. So in this video we are going to learn how to avoid this mistake with a simple tip that I am going to explain you. So hi guys, my name is Rahul Srivastav and I welcome you all to my channel. So as I said earlier, my requirement, what I would do is I would simply select the cell wherein I need the my subordinate officers to input the data. Now once I have selected this sheet, I will go to data, I will go to data validation, wherein I will go to settings. Now once I went to setting options, as I said, my requirement is to input the data between 0 to 100 only, so I will select as decimal and I will type as minimum 0 and maximum 100. Now once I did that, I want, suppose somebody by mistake or inadvertently is typing the value other than 0 to 100, he should immediately be given a pop-up message, which you can say as an error alert. So I want that error alert to be as invalid data, and error message that should be displayed is please type a value between 0 to 100. And once I press OK, you will notice that suppose A branch is typed as 2, suppose A branch is typed as 50, so it is very well accepted. B branch is typed as suppose 90, again very well accepted. Now C branch, suppose by mistake types it as 120. Now once somebody types the value other than 0 to 100 and he press enters, immediately a pop-up screen will get displayed here, as you can see here. Now either you have to cancel this or you have to retry this by again inputting the data, which would be obviously the correct data. That is, suppose I type here as 40, which would be very well accepted. Now this was one of the method through which you can ask for the correct data in one simple go. Again, there is another method, that is you will have to create a drop down list. Now if you are asking for data between suppose 0 to 100 or 0 to 1000, so you have to create a drop down list for 0 to 100, so it would take a lot of time. So I guess this is the most appropriate method for you people to ask for the correct data at one single step. So I hope this technique was useful to you. Do apply in your organization. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like my initiative, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. I would be coming with this next video very soon. Now till then, bye bye and take care, stay safe.